Hello world, my name is Coach Benga. I am here to teach you how to construct the Phage Titre versus pH stability of the isolated phages. How to construct the bar chart of Phage Titre versus pH stability of the isolated phages. The first thing to do is to get the table of your raw data from the experiments you perform in the laboratory. And the table look like this. When you get this table is a table of raw data you collected, and then but we cannot easily use this table that contains the raw data from the experiment to construct the bar charts. So we must convert this table to this smaller table so that we can easily construct the bar chart. Now, how did we do this? It has been done here already, but how did we do it? Look at this table. It contains three organisms: HSP1, TSP, and HSP2 that were used in the experiment. Now, under HSP1 organism, when the pH is 2, the titer is 0. Look at it. When the pH is 2, the titer is 0. When the pH is 4, the titer is 3. When the pH is 6, the titer is 7. When the pH is 8, the titer is 9, as you can see. When the pH is 10, the titer is 5, as you can see. The titer is 5. And when the pH is 12, the titer is 2, as you can see. When the pH is 12, the titer is 2. The same thing goes to organism 2, TSP. You can see when the pH is 2, the titer is 0. When the pH is 2, the titer is 0. When the pH is 4, the titer is 3. When the pH is 6, the titer is 7. Down like that. Let's come to third organism, HSP2. When the pH is 2, the titer is 1. You can see when the pH is 2, the titer is 1. Also means that when the pH is 12, the titer is also 1, as you can see. When the pH is 12, the titer is 1 for the third organism. And when the pH is 10, the titer is 7. You can compare it here on this bigger table. Then when the pH is 8, the titer is 9. When the pH is 6, the titer is 8. That is that. So we can quickly go ahead now to construct our bar chart. First of all, you must highlight this small table that you just formed now. So after you might have highlighted the table, you can go to insert, and then from insert come to chart. Under chart, click this recommended one, then it will appear in this manner, and then click. So you can pick any background of your choice. So having done that, you can go ahead to put the title. When you construct your bar chart very well, it will appear in this manner. You see phage stability of the isolated phages on the x-axis and percentage reduction in Phage Titre on the x-axis. So how do you go about that? You can click on this button to add click on this button. When you click on it, click on this button, then you had the axis, you had the arrow. When you had the arrow, it will appear like this. But if you didn't have the arrow, it will appear like this. Had the arrow, you didn't, it will appear like if you had it, will appear like this. So at the end of the day, your data, your bar chart will look like this. On the x-axis, you have phage stability of the isolated phages, and on the y-axis, you have a percentage reduction in Phage Titre. So you can go ahead and continue this one by changing this title. Yeah, you delete what is there before and put your own title there. You see now? Then x-axis, pH stability of the isolated isolated phages. First of all, delete what is there before and then put it here. So each color blue represents the first organism, color yellow represents the second organism, while the ash color represents the third organism. So on the charts. So that is the way you do it. You complete it and it will look like this one that you are seeing in front of me. So having done that, you are done and you are good to go.